Help! 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 Guys, they're torturing dogs and cats. They're mutilating them, and they're abusing them terribly. I'm sorry, that's chickens, birds, pigs, and fish. So they don't really matter if we torture billions in factory farms. Watch meat.org and meatvideo.com.
Cut the BS. If I was raising 4,000 kittens and puppies in a cruel, crowded building to eventually slaughter them, you would think that I was a bag of human garbage, but cruel factory farm. Bird and pig farmers are hard-working good people, right?
Free raw dog meats after they die, naturally, as in shelters. Why waste free flesh? See meat.org.
Step right up, step right up. Come get your free dog meat after they die naturally in shelters. Why waste the free flesh and furs for your fur trim coat hoods and ugly Ugg sheepskins? You can use dog skins. It beats sick factory farms and fur farms that torture billions of animals, mostly small birds and fish. elwooddogmeat.com. It's organic, so we don't poison the bees, birds, insects, the water, and ourselves. And let's make it legal and even subsidize it with our taxes like we do to factory farms. Horse meat next. Maybe even dog and pig milk, since you're confused who your mom is. Also eating female birds' periods or eggs from cruel factory farms. Most major dietitian organizations worldwide endorse vegan, veganbodybuilding.com for athletes. Most are baby animals, nothing to flex about. Look up Factory Farm, Fish Farm, and Super Trawler Net. Watch Seaspiracy and Farm to Fridge.